Hello friends, today I tell you how to install RHL in a Red Hat in your PC. So open your VMware workstation, click create a new virtual machine, then click typical and click next. Then select the I will install the operating system later. Then select the Linux and then select the Red Hat version Linux 7 64-bit. Then again click next. Then set the virtual machine name. Then set the location of the virtual machine and then click next. Then set the hard disk size of your virtual machine and then click next. Then click finish. Then click virtual machine settings. Go to CD DVD SATA and select use ISO image file and then click browse and then select the ISO image file of RHL. Then click OK. Then click power on virtual machine. Then press enter, install the Red Hat Linux. Click select the language English and keyboard English United States and click continue. Firstly click date and time and set your time zone. And click on done. Then click installation source. Then again click on done. Then click the software selection. It is important of RHL what have you installed as GUI server, other etc. I go with the server with GUI and I click email server, FTP server, DNS server. Then I click on done. Then click installation destination. Then I select the hard disk. I will choose the option I will configure partition. Then I click on done. Select the standard partition and click on plus button. Firstly, select the swap partition and give the size, give desired memory. I give the 10 GB. Again click on plus button and click boot partition and give the desired space, space, size. I give the 500 MB. Again click on plus button, then I again select the root partition. I give the 80 GB. And click add mount point. Again click on plus button and select the home partition. I give the size 50 GB. Then last partition is war partition. I gave the 10 GB. Then click the done partition. Then click the accept changes. Then select the network and host name and click on button and click done option. And I click the begin installation and then set the root password. And click user creation. I give the name and set the password. And click done. So installation has started now. Please wait some times. So Redhat Linux installation is complete now. So click reboot. Click the license information and scroll down and check the set the license agreement and click done information. Then click finish configuration. Select the username and enter the password. So the Redhat Linux are ready to use. Thank you for watching. and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.